You want to make sure your AC unit lasts as long as possible. This is one of those ways that you can extend its life. But over time, what happens is as you mow the lawn, stuff starts accumulating, getting stuck in those fins. You have to maintain them. This is the outside disconnect for the unit. Shows you can read the words on right there. When you pop this out, that's disconnected. We flip it 90 degrees and there it says off. If this doesn't work or you don't see your box or you're not sure, we can go to the fuse panel or AC. So if we want to disconnect that for outside, we'll just throw this breaker. We're safe to work on it. Before attempting any cleaning, you can always look up the brand of your unit, look up its model number, and you can also find the tags on the back. You can make sure that your unit can be cleaned with water. There are some units, especially some heat pumps, that don't like you to use water, so that's just something to be aware of. Right, to get started, we're going to take our impact driver and take the top of the unit off. Once you take the top off, you'll notice that there's a lot of electrical connections there on the side, so you want to be careful about that. And from this side, it looks like everything's pretty decent. But we'll take the sides off and that'll show us something a little bit more. You can see there's just an incredible amount of buildup, just dust and dirt and debris over the years. One word of caution, that's your capacitor. And you don't want to really mess with that, touch it or in any way. It's a pretty powerful storage of electricity that can really shock you. All right, first thing I have here is a soft bristle brush. It's got nylon bristles. It's meant to do the least amount of damage to the fins, and all you gotta do is just scrape on this, get that top coat off, just go slow and peel that off. If the brush you're using starts to bend the tines behind it, the fins, then you know you got too stiff of a brush. The softer the bristles on the brush, the better. You can see as I do this what a remarkable difference it makes, and it's really not taking any serious amount of time. And hopefully your air conditioning unit does not look this bad. They make cleaner, AC cleaner, and you can go ahead and purchase that. We'll have a link in the description below if you want to do that. We're Amazon affiliates. It took less than 5 minutes to brush off. We got a ton of debris off of them, but if I brush this, you can still see there's dirt in there. And so we want to still address that. There we go. We just got a bucket of hot soapy water. Get it kind of to saturate that. We'll be pretty liberal with this. And let that soak in a little bit. Kind of loosen up some of the debris. And that hot soapy water does wonders. Now we want to go ahead and take all that soapy water off. And it's not on too much pressure. You might be tempted to use a pressure washer, and if you do, you have to be careful that you adjust the pressure so that the tines, these fins, don't get bent. That's a user beware idea. This water stream is not hard at all. It's just simply enough to wash out the soap, water, and any dust. Right, there you go. Fresh and clean. The good news about this cleaning is it's something you probably shouldn't have to do more than once every 2 or 3 years. I read an article that said, made an argument for the fins being a little bit dirty actually helps in the cooling, but not like this unit. This unit probably died an early death because it wasn't cleaned enough. I'm comfortable with not doing it every year, but maybe every couple years. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for viewing, and we'll see you next time.